Subtract 873 from 1000 in 3 seconds. Watch. How do you subtract from 1000 in your head in 3 seconds? Most people reach for a calculator. You won't. The answer is a 5,000-year-old trick. All from 9, last from 10. Here is why this works. 1000 equals 999 plus 1. So 1000 minus 873 equals 999 minus 873 plus 1. 999 is special. Every digit is a 9. So you subtract each digit from 9. No borrowing needed. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. That gives 126. Now add the 1 back. 127. The shortcut. Every digit except the last subtracts from 9, and the last digit subtracts from 10. Boom. The sutra is just a fast way to do what we just derived. It is clever notation on top of basic algebra. Let's try it small. 100 minus 87. First, the derivation. 100 equals 99 plus 1. So 100 minus 87 equals 99 minus 87 plus 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. That is 12. Plus 1. 13. Now the shortcut. All from 9, last from 10. 8 subtracts from 9. That gives 1. 7 is the last digit, so it subtracts from 10. That gives 3. Read it. 13. 2 paths. Same answer. The sutra is the shortcut. The derivation is the proof. Your turn. Set this up. 100 minus 64. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. 6 subtracts from 9. That is 3. 4 is the last digit. Subtracts from 10. That is 6. 36. Check it by derivation. 99 minus 64 is 35. Plus 1 is 36. 2 paths, same answer. If you got that in your head, the rule is starting to wire. Now the full version of the lesson opener. 1000 minus 873. Shortcut first. 8 from 9 is 1. 7 from 9 is 2. 3 is the last digit. From 10 is 7. 127. Yes, 127. And here is the why one more time, fast. 999 minus 873 is 126. Plus 1. 127. The sutra is not magic. It is just a faster way to subtract from a row of 9s, plus a 1 correction at the end. 3 seconds. No calculator. 3 things to remember. 1. To subtract from a power of 10, use the sutra. 2. Every digit except the last subtracts from 9, and the last digit subtracts from 10. 3. The reason it works. 10 to the n equals all 9s plus 1. The sutra automates that math. That is the whole rule. Quick check. Use the sutra. What is 100 minus 47? A. 43. B. 53. C. 63. D. 47. 3 seconds. Pick one. Now prove it. Practice 10 problems at tamilgeniuslab.com, link below. Then come back for lesson 3. Multiply any two-digit number by 11. And if you want more free courses for kids, visit tamilgeniuslab.com/courses. See you in lesson 3.